Good morning, friends. This is your humble host from Sydney, Australia, and I'm here to give you a little bit of an update as to what we're planning to do as far as the Mizoram news and views is concerned. See, we realize that a lot of people tune in to YouTube channels, so perhaps we thought we could try to make use of this opportunity and perhaps present news and views concerning Mizoram and the Mizo people and the people living in Mizoram through this means, and that's one of the reasons why we're trying to make this sort of a promo video. And if you'd like to join with us, and if you'd like to help us grow this effort, please click the subscribe button and click the like button and leave a feedback through the YouTube comment section or the comment section in this group. We would like to hear from you, and we would like to hear your views, even if they don't agree with our views. Say there are a lot of challenges that we have in Mizoram, even within the Mizo community, and we also understand that there are other communities other than the Mizo community living in Mizoram. So it is a very helpful thing if we can have a dialogue, if we can have a conversation between amongst us, so that we can address some of the issues that arise every now and then. It is a very helpful thing, as I mentioned, that people are able to access the internet. And as you can see, this is something that people all over the world can actually participate in. So if we can hit the if we can hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, we'll try to make more videos available. Have a good day, guys.